about different colors of surprise eggs. Wow, that's a blue egg. And it's spinning round and round and round. Let's open it. Wow, that's a rainbow lollipop. Yum, yum. Next, it's a pink egg. Wow, let's open. Surprise! It's a cute little white bunny inside. Now, we have gray egg. Let's open. Surprise! It's a brown teddy bear. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Next is a yellow big egg. Open! Wow, a red airplane came out. Next, we have a purple egg. Let's open. Surprise! That's a yellow car inside. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Now we have a green egg. Let's open. That's a red heart. Our next egg is an orange egg. Let's open. Surprise! That's a cute little purple birdie. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly. Thanks for watching.